Hi guys, welcome back to OBAAPA Kitchen guys. Today's video I am going to show you a very nice tip. Okay, so today guys I decided to purchase this beautiful and tasty authentic Ghana cocoa. I think in Ghana we call it cocoa, but what they call it around the state is called taro, or I think the botanical name for this one is also called Colocasia esculenta. Guys, let me know if I got it right. Colocasia esculenta. It is the name of it, but it's normally called taro plant. Yeah, Ghana we call it cocoa. Guys, trust me, when you try this thing right here, you would not have to search for yam again, because this is very affordable. The price is so phenomenal. It's just amazing. I tried this before with the kochomero stew and even with beef stew, and man, I'm hooked to this for real. Okay, you know when you go to African store to buy yam, you know how ridiculously expensive yam can cost you. You know, one root of yam or maybe 2 or 3 pounds of yam can even cost like almost like $12 or $14. You know, depending on where I am. Mostly even in Chicago it's called the same. So when somebody told me about this taro, and then I'm like, man, this is cocoa. That's what you call it in Ghana. This is cocoa, but I think the botanical name is Colocasia esculenta. Yeah, but when you go to maybe a Mexican store or Hispanic store, Asian store, you can find this there. Okay, they sell it. It's very cheap, and it's very nice as well. This thing here cook amazing, so I decided to share with you guys. Okay, so now I'm not going to cook all of it because this is a very big stuff right there. Okay, I'm going to cook half of this, or one of these, you know, so you guys will see how it look. Trust me, after you try this, you won't have to buy or search for yam again, guys. This is OBAAPA. Alright, so guys, now I'm going to peel this. Okay, look at that. It looks just like yam, or even better. You cannot just cook it, you can even fry this, you know, this thing right here. It is just gorgeous. Yeah, a friend told me to try, and I'm like, I tried Ghana cocoa before, but I didn't like it. But and he was like, go ahead and try it, and you're gonna call me and tell me, hey, this stuff was really good for real. You meant business. Yeah, guys, so I bought one and then cooked it one time. I tried it, and guys, I am in love with this thing. Okay, ever since I tried this, I haven't bought any yam. This is how beautiful it is. Look just like yam, or even better than yam. Okay, and I think this one you can use it and make your fufu or whatever you call it. Yeah, so I am so excited to cook this. Alright guys, so now I've already washed it once, so I'm gonna wash it again. It's just easy, really nice, and you know, just loving this thing. So we are just gonna cut it up. Cut this way. This is how the inside look like. And you can cut it any size of your choice. It's gonna cook nice and beautiful. Okay, so it don't matter how or whichever way you cut it. You know, so guys, I think I am going to leave this one, okay, because it's a lot, and I'm just gonna cook this because I'm going to eat it just by myself. So what I'm going to do with the other one is I am going to freeze it. Yeah, I'm going to freeze it in my freezer. So this is how it is. And I'm going to add just a little bit of salt and cook it. Have it on the stove. Okay, so I'm going to add just a pinch of salt, you know, just to bring out the flavor. Like, you know how we all cook yam, we add salt. Yeah, this thing is very good. I'm gonna cover it and let it cook for about maybe 20 minutes or 20 to 15 minutes. it should be done, because it doesn't take too long to boil or to cook. It's the same thing like, you know, you're cooking yam. So yeah, we're gonna allow it to cook. I'll let you guys know when it's ready. Guys, so this is how it's going to look after you cook it. You see how it look? Very, very, very nice and very soft as well. This is how it look like, just like yam, you know. Very, very beautiful texture, you know. It is just amazing. So I'm going to put some stew, okay? So I'm going to add some of the stew to it. I made a very, very beautiful and contemporary stew. And guys, wow, nutri I say, OBAAPA contemporary stew on Feniagolo. I'm making a mess, but that's okay. Alright, guys. This is how it's gonna look. See how beautiful it is, guys. Hold on, let me break one for you guys. It's very hot. Can you see that? What a gorgeous thing. See that, guys? And with this stuff, you can also fry it as well. Okay, you can fry it or boil it. Alright, whichever way. Alright, guys, so trust me, after eating this, you won't have to buy yams again, because somebody will say, OBAAPA, does this have like health benefits? Yes, taro has health benefits. Okay, in Ghana we call it cocoa. It has health benefits. I think one of those are magnesium, iron, fiber, potassium, zinc, copper, phosphorus, and also it has vitamin A, B6, C, and E. So this thing is not just cheap, it's very, very healthy for you. Okay, it's good for your health twice or more than what yam has. Okay, so this is how it look. I'm gonna get it so you guys will see. Okay, I'm loving this. When I found out this, guys, I'm not buying yams again, because I know how good this stuff is, and when it comes to health wise. Look at that. See that, guys? Just beautiful. And this stuff you can fry it as well. See how soft it is? Very nice. It even tastes better than yam to me, you know, because it has very, very firm and soft texture. Man, I love this. With the contemporary stew, at the year. Guys, I'm missing avocado, but that's fine. Next time, this is good. But thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video, guys. Love y'all. Try and let me know what you guys think, okay? Alright, guys. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe.